Hey little buddy, today I will draw Bluey asking Santa for a Christmas present under the twinkling stars. While the drawing slowly comes alive, let me tell you a heartwarming story. But before the tale begins, remember to like this video and subscribe, so every sparkle of Christmas joy keeps shining for you. Snowflakes covered the roofs of the Healer home, making everything look like it was wrapped in sugar. The Christmas tree inside glittered with lights, ornaments, and a shining star on top. Bluey sat near the window, her little heart racing with hope. Tonight was the night she had been waiting for all year. She wasn't asking for the biggest toy or the loudest game. No, Bluey had something very special in mind. She wanted a gift that could carry her imagination far, something that would let her travel through dreams even while she slept. "Santa will understand," she whispered softly, tucking her paws beneath her chin as she gazed at the stars. Beside the tree, a plate of cookies and a tall glass of milk stood ready. Bandit, her dad, winked and whispered, "Don't worry, Santa never forgets little pups who believe with all their heart." As midnight drew near, Bluey's ears twitched at the faint sound of jingling bells outside. She rushed to the window, pressing her paws against the glass. In the distance, a sleigh soared through the night sky, pulled by a reindeer with shimmering hooves. Her eyes grew wide. The sound grew louder. Then, in a swirl of snowy magic, Santa stepped into the living room. His red suit sparkled, his beard gleamed like fresh snow, and his laughter filled the room. "Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, Bluey!" Santa boomed, his eyes twinkling like lights on the tree. Bluey's tail wagged furiously. "Santa! You really came!" "Of course I did," Santa chuckled, taking a cookie from the plate. "Now tell me, what gift do you wish for this year?" Bluey hesitated, her little paws trembling with excitement. Then she spoke clearly, her voice sweet and hopeful. "Santa, I want a magical lantern that can shine stories at night. A lantern that tells tales with pictures, so I can share them with my family and friends." Santa paused, then smiled warmly. "A lantern of stories? What a thoughtful wish, Bluey. Not for yourself alone, but for everyone around you." From his big red sack, he pulled out a glowing lantern, its golden handle gleaming and its glass sides sparkling with colors that danced like rainbows. Bluey gasped, holding it close. "It's perfect!" Santa leaned down. "Every night, when you light this lantern, new stories will appear. They will sparkle on the walls, filling your home with magic. But remember, Bluey, the best stories are the ones you create and share from your own heart." Tears of joy filled her eyes. "Thank you, Santa. I promise to share them with Bingo, with Mom and Dad, and even with my friends." Santa's smile grew gentle. "That is the true gift of Christmas, sharing joy with others." Outside, the reindeer pawed the snow, ready to take flight again. Santa rose, gave one last kind laugh, and stepped toward his sleigh. "Good night, Bluey. Keep the lantern glowing, and let your stories light the world." With a jingle of bells, he soared into the starry night, leaving a trail of magic behind. Bluey cuddled the lantern to her chest, lying beneath the Christmas tree's glow. Her heart overflowed with happiness. She whispered softly, "This is the best Christmas ever." And as she drifted into sleep, colorful stories began to dance across her dreams. Now close your eyes. Let joy stay near. Christmas magic will shine all year. Bluey's wish lit up the night, filling hearts with warmth and light.